Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host Alex Morin, and you're going to want to be sitting down for this particular product review. Actually, this is probably going to be one of the more noisy product reviews I ever do, given the fact that I've got a whack of aluminum and Velcro on my back here. What am I carrying today? I'm carrying Peerless Umbrellas 505BC, which is a beach chair. Unbelievable, huh? I bet you didn't know that Peerless Umbrella actually sells chairs. Well, turns out they sell a pretty magnificent chair. So let me open this up and I want to show you this particular promotional product. So this chair here is awesome and it has beautiful quality. It's made with 600 denier polyester, which is a very durable fabric, and it's also made with a lightweight and extremely robust aluminum, which is awesome because it's lightweight and easy to carry. When I put that on my back, it's not breaking my back, and in addition to that, I've got my hands free to be able to use and carry other things while I'm taking this to the beach or on my camping trip. So that's a bonus, and that's the first thing you're going to notice when you're looking at this chair. The second thing you're going to notice is its quality. As I said, beautiful aluminum, gorgeous 600D polyester, but they've spared no expense when it comes to the bells and whistles. What am I talking about? I'm talking about these beautiful wooden arms over here. I'm talking about a cup holder that you can actually snap out of the product over here. It's fabulous so that I can actually wash it and clean it as opposed to those inexpensive chairs that we buy at all the big box retail stores. So the quality is top notch, and in addition to that, they've even added little bells and whistles like this rubber strip at the top, which makes it easier to move from place to place. And why would you do that? Number one, it's very comfortable and easy to carry, but number two, aluminum gets hot when it's in the hot sun all day long, so you don't want to burn your hands, and that's why they've put that beautiful rubber handle on the top. I love it. They've really thought of everything. Now, promotional advertising is all about the brand. How can I showcase my brand in a beautiful way? And you can do that with a chair because it really connotes sitting down. It connotes relaxation. And so they've created a logo space here that's enormous. It's a huge billboard, and people can see that logo when they're looking at the chairs. But you might be thinking, what about if you're sitting on the chair, Alex? You can't see the logo anymore. Well, that's why they created a massive pocket on the back of this chair that can be decorated. So thoughtful, such a great concept and a great idea. And in addition to that, this pocket is wonderful because if you're going to the beach, chances are you have a towel with you, a radio with you, and all kinds of other things. Where are you going to put those? In the back of the chair, right? So simple, so practical. So congratulations, Peerless, for making such a really, really great chair that has all these bells and whistles. In addition to that, they've also got a pocket on the side here that has two pockets built into it. One's a slash pocket, the other one is a zippered pocket. And why might that be important? That's because if I'm on an outing, chances are I have something of value on me. Maybe it's my keys, maybe it's money, whatever it happens to be. I don't want that falling out of the chair and getting buried under a foot of sand. I want that in a safe and secure pocket, and that's precisely what they've done, is added that option. Now, this chair reclines into 3 positions. I can use it virtually upright, or I can start to tilt it back a little bit. And when you tilt it back in that third location, it makes for beautiful stargazing when you happen to be out and camping. Oh, it's magnificent. Now, I always like to arm you with ideas on how we can use these chairs in the promotional world, and I'm going to give you one idea right now. Let's just say I was a corporation and I was hosting a barbecue or maybe even a golf tournament. What I might do is I would get enough chairs for everyone that attends the event. And so when we're sitting down after it's all said and done and perhaps the president is doing a speech, everyone sits on these beautifully branded chairs. At the end of the event, I might say to the crew, hey, anyone want to take these home? Please feel free to take them home. And I know from experience, people love their promo chairs. People will be clamoring to take these things home. What a beautiful, beautiful promotional gift. I would love to receive one of these, especially one of this quality. quality. So where does it sit on the price point spectrum? It's not the least expensive chair, but it's not the most expensive chair in the world either, but it sits at a higher price point. And the reason is that they paid attention to detail. They used beautiful, beautiful fabrics and materials, and the quality is top notch. So I wouldn't hesitate for a second to use a chair like this given its price point. I think it's a magnificent promotional product at the right price point. Hey, for all of those reasons, I highly endorse this chair from a company that I know as an umbrella company, but they are making wonderful, wonderful chairs. I'm Alex from Promonoise. Please like this video if you love the ideas. Please don't forget to share these videos with your friends, your colleagues, your customers, and check us out at www.promonoise.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we are constantly bringing you tons of revolutionary and creative ideas. Hey, once again, thanks very much for watching. I hope you have a terrific day, and I'll see you at the next product review.